Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome dear audience. Dear fellows, imagine a plant that closes when we touch it. A plant that eats insects. A tree with rainbow colored bark. And even a flower that smells like rotten meat. All these things may sound like superpowers from a movie, but they are real. Such amazing plants exist in the world. These fascinating plants enhance the beauty of the world as well as they show us the miracles of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this video, we will discover 11 amazing plants with incredible superpowers. Let's find out the fascinating features of these amazing plants. We will take start from sensitive plant. The sensitive plant is one of the most fascinating plants in nature. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary green plant, but the moment something touches its leaves, they quickly fold inward and droop downward. Scientists believe this movement helps protect the plant from animals and insects that may want to eat it. By folding its leaves, the plant appears less attractive for predators. Next is Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is one of the world's most famous carnivorous plant. It usually grows in nutrient pure soil where important minerals are difficult to find. To solve this problem, the plant catches insects and uses them as food. Inside each trap are hini trigger hairs. When an insect touches these hairs twice, the trap snaps shut in less than a second. The trapped insect cannot escape. Next one is resurrection plant. Imagine a plant that can survive for years without water and then come back to life. That is exactly what this plant can do. During long dry periods, the plant curls into a brown ball and appears completely dead. Strong winds may even roll it across the ground. But when rain finally arrives, the plant absorbs water and begins to open. Within hours, it becomes green and healthy again. This remarkable survival strategy allows it to live in desert and other harsh environment where water is scarce. Next one, dancing plant. The dancing plant is one of the few plants that appears to move on its own. Its small side leaves slowly move up and down throughout the day. These movements become more noticeable in warm weather and bright sunlight. Scientists believe that plant move its leaves to capture sunlight more efficiently and respond to changes in its surrounding. Watching the plant can feel like watching a tiny dancer performance. Next is giant water lily. The giant water lily is famous for having some of the largest leaves in the world. These enormous leaves float on the surface of lakes and rivers. Some can grow more than 2 meters across. Their strong structure contains special ribs underneath that provide support and stability. Because of this design, the leaves can hold surprising amount of weight when the load is spread evenly. The plants also produce beautiful flowers that change color as they mature. It is giant size, make it one of the most impressive plant. Next one, rainbow eucalyptus. The rainbow eucalyptus is one of the most colorful trees found in the nature. Unlike other trees with brown bark, this tree displays bright shade of green, blue, orange, red and purple. The colors appear as the outer bark peels away and reveals flesh layer underneath. As these layers age, they change color, creating a stunning rainbow effect. Many people think the tree has been painted by artists, but the colors are completely natural. This unique appearance makes rainbow one of the most beautiful tree in the world. The next is baobab tree. The baobab tree is often called the tree of life because it provides shelter, food, and water in dry regions. Its enormous trunk acts like a giant water tank, storing thousands of liters of water during rainy season. This stored water helps the tree survive long periods of drought. Some baobab trees are believed to be over 1,000 years old. Their unusual shape and massive size make them easy to recognize. Next is dragon blood tree. The dragon blood tree is one of the most unusual looking trees on the earth. It has a giant umbrella shaped crown formed by dense branches and leaves. This shape helps the tree collect moisture from the air and reduce water loss. When the bark is cut, a dark red resin flows out. This resin looks like blood, which is why the tree received its dramatic name. People have used this resin for dyes, medicines, and traditional crafts. Next plant is Welwitschia. Welwitschia is one of the strongest and oldest plant in the world. Unlike most plants, it produces only two leaves during its entire lifetime. These leaves never fall off and continue growing years after years. Over time, wind weather causes them to twist and split into a long ribbon. Welwitschia survive in one of the harshest weather on the earth by collecting moisture from the fog and dew, and it can survive in deserts. Next plant is monkey cup plant. The monkey cup plant, also known as pitcher plant. It is also another remarkable carnivorous plant. Its leaves form deep cup-shaped structure called pitchers. These pitchers contain a slippery surface and digestive liquid. Insects are attracted by bright colors and sweet nectar around the rim. Once they slip inside, escaping becomes extremely difficult. The plant slowly digests the insect and absorbs nutrients from them. Some species can even trap the frogs. The last one is corpse flower. The corpse flower is famous for producing one of the strongest and worst smell in the natural world. When it blooms, it releases an odor similar to rotting meat. Although the smell is unpleasant for humans, it attracts the insect that help pollinate the flower. The corpse flower is also known as for its enormous size. Some blooms can reach more than 3 meters in height. I hope you have enjoyed the learning about amazing plants in the world. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more scientific videos. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz till the next video.